What's up, my superstars? I'm back once again and with another look in the can. Hopefully you guys will like this look, but I decided to base this look off of a palette that I just picked up just recently by Morphe. This is their Morphe 18 Va Bloom palette. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love the pinks in here, and for some reason I've been in a pink mood lately. I don't know where it's coming from, but I've been inspired by the color fuchsia lately, which is my favorite shade of pink if I wear a pink. And I just wanted to base it around this top that I have. It has a deep plunging neckline, so I hope I'm not revealing too much, but yeah, it plunges down almost like mid-chest right here, and I just think it's really pretty. So I just basically wanted to do a look based off of my dress shirt. So hopefully you guys will like this look, and if you do, like, comment, share with a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, and subscribe. I am almost close to 1,000 subscribers, and once again I will be holding a huge giveaway that is based on Juvia's Place products. And the contest that I have to offer to you guys is so unique. It has never been done before by any influencer on this platform. So I think you guys will be excited when I give you the details after I surpass or hit 1,000 subscribers or more. And I will be able to launch the contest and tell you what you have to do in order to win these Juvia's Place goodies that I will have in place for all you guys. So with that being said, if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, y'all, let's get it started. We're gonna dive right into this look. I'm just clowning right here, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. But the first thing I'm gonna do is cleanse my face with my makeup removing cleansing cloth so that I can clean away all impurities and I can get a smooth canvas for my makeup and my foundation. And then I'm gonna go into my eye treatment. This is Origins ginseng eye cream. It helps to brighten and depuff my under eye area. I love this stuff. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go back and get me another pot of this because it's really good. But I like it. It's really nice. I decided to switch it up a little bit, so I'm reaching for my Juvia's Place Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I'm not really crazy about this. This pencil is when they first came out with their brow pen, so I don't know if the formula has changed since then, but it was a little difficult for me to get this on, but I managed. And then I went into using my e.l.f.'s concealers, my Hydro Camo concealers in Tan Walnut and Deep Cinnamon to sculpt out my brows and shape them. I'm using my favorite eyeshadow base, and I've been using this for a while. This is the Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer by Juvia's Place in the shade number 2. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush to basically spread this out over the eyelid so I can lay it down for a foundation before I apply my eyeshadows. Now we're going to go into this beautiful pink curated palette by Morphe. It's Va Bloom. And I chose the shade Rosy in order to apply a transition color to my eyelid. So this is the color that I chose. It's really soft. It's like a mauve pink and it's so pretty. Now I'm going to go in and use the shade She's Tough, which is like a dark maroonish type of pink color. It's like a dark reddish mulberry color. It's so pretty. Like, I love colors like this. Anytime I see colors like this in a palette, I just get so excited because this is gorgeous. I'm using this to deepen the crease on my outer third of my eye, and I'm bringing it midway through my crease, and then I'm bringing it down into the outer third of my lid. Now I'm going in with my soft crease fluffy brush by Morphe, and I'm blending the outer edges of my transition area, and I'm also blending where I put She's Tough into the transition color so I can soften it and it won't look as harsh. And then I'm going to use my Morphe M24 brush to go in and pick up this beautiful shade. I feel like this is a standout in the palette. This one is called All Nighter, and it's so gorgeous. It's like a beautiful, like bright baby pink shimmery color that I'm applying all over the lid. Here I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy blender brush in order to blend the edges of She's Tough into All Nighter, so that I can get a nice transition between those two colors and kind of diffuse it and make it really, really soft and feminine and girly. And then I'm going to go in and pick up Pardon Me, which is like a dark brownish pink type of color. And I'm just deepening the outer third of She's Tough, but I'm keeping it tight right into that crease and not really taking it over. I just want to deepen the outer corner of my crease on my lid. Now I'm going in and I'm picking up this shade. It's called Cutesy. It's really, really beautiful. It's like a metallic, light champagne pink shimmer that I'm applying on my tear ducts. And it was a little flyaways at first, like a little dusty when I put it on. So I decided to go in and use my MAC Fix Plus to dampen my brush so that I can get deepen the color, and I can also be able to apply it so that I'll get more of an impact of this color on my tear ducts. Y'all, I don't know what happened here, but I lost the clip for this segment. I took She's Tough and I lined my lower lash line with it, like almost into my lash line. And then I went under that and I used All Nighter as a shimmer to kind of diffuse my under eye area. So that clip is missing, and I want to apologize to y'all because I don't know what the heck I did with it. But right here I'm using my favorite liquid liner, which is Essence Cosmetics. This is their felt tip liner in Black is Black. I'm going to apply Essence Lash Princess Mascara to my upper lashes. This is my favorite mascara of the moment. I've been using this for a few months now. It's really, really good. It's popular for a reason, so you can go and pick this up at Ulta. It's affordably priced. It's only like $4.99. So, yeah, I'm going to apply this to my lashes. Now I'm going to pop my lashes on. As anybody would know, it's well documented on my channel that I love these lashes that come in the black circle trays. This is style number 3. I picked these up and purchased them from a seller on DHgate called Crazy_Lover. I'm going to provide the link down below in the description box if you want to purchase these, but these are so beautiful. They're natural, they're mink hair lashes, they go on beautifully, and I just wanted to try a different style because I usually order number 30 or style number 18. However, I bought these in bulk. I bought this in a lot of 12, so I bought a dozen of these lashes, and I just wanted to try a different style. And as you can see, they're glamorous and they're gorgeous. So yeah, I love these. I forgot to do this in the beginning, but I'm using my Kiss Top Coat Brow Sealant. It works so well, and it locks and seals in my brows and make them smudge proof, budge proof, waterproof, whatever proof. They lock in my brows and they do not budge or move. So I never have to fear, you know, going out and smudging my brows, you know, by accident, or brushing my brows and they just go away. So yeah, I love this product. Now I'm going back into this palette and I'm choosing the shade Dandy to apply to my brow bone area. It's a beautiful, like, carnation, like muted soft pink that I decided to apply to my brow bone area, and it's so beautiful. Child, this look came out so pretty, so I was clowning, okay? Like, boom, this is the look. Now I'm going in and I'm going to apply my foundation. I have two foundations. One is 370 Warm and 450C is the other shade. The 450C is more my shade, so no, 370 W, which is warm, that's my shade. And I decided to apply that to my face. The other one was too dark, but I didn't need it after all after I applied this, because this was just a recent purchase, so I wanted to use this for my foundation. I decided to use tan walnut to highlight the inner part of my under eye area near my tear ducts in the corner after I applied my usual, which is my favorite, and that is Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer. And then I went ahead and finished out the rest of my face with my Too Faced concealer and blended everything out with a damp sponge. Now I'm covering my highlighted areas and setting them with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in number 30, Medium Deep. Y'all, I'm so backwards. I forgot to mention what I used for my face primer in the beginning, and it's the e.l.f. Power Grip primer that I applied to my face before I did my foundation. So, on to the next. I'm applying my Essence Lash Princess Mascara to my bottom lashes. And now I'm using a new purchase, which is NARS Laguna bronzer to apply to my face. I had the label upside down. I don't know what I was thinking. Child, y'all have to just never mind me. But yeah, I'm setting my bronzer and applying it to my face before I actually set it with powder. So I love this. It blends smooth into the skin. It's not hard to blend or work with, and it's a cream formula. So like I said, I always wanted to purchase this product, and I'm glad I did, because it gave a very soft, beautiful, diffused look, and it wasn't too harsh or hard to blend with this particular product. This is also a new product. This is a Morphe Blush Balm in the shade Wild Wine. It is a cream formula, and like I said, I don't know, cream blushes seems to be the trend nowadays, And I usually stay away from cream formulas like this, but something told me to pick this up because the color was already so pretty. So when I put it on, I was very impressed. It was so easy to melt and blend into my skin with a regular blush. And it almost gave off a powder finish. So that's what I really love about this blush, because it didn't give, you know, harsh when it comes to shiny and creamy on the skin. It just blended well into the skin, and it was so soft and pretty. So yeah, I love this blush. I may go back and get more. To sum it up, y'all, I was happy with this blush, okay? Now I'm going in, I'm going to set my whole entire face with my favorite loose powder, which is Black Radiance Loose Powder Foundation in the shade Honeymoon. I decided to pull an oldie but goodie from my highlighter collection, and this one is MAC Star Dip Face Compact in Medium Deep, and I chose the shade Old Darling to highlight my face. This is so gorgeous on. This is also a throwback. I chose my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronze and Powder Palette. And I always go for this third shade in the compact in order to set my face. And that's where I applied it to the areas where I put my bronzing cream from by NARS over my face. So yeah, this one is another beautiful, affordable palette that you can pick up from Ulta. I think it's only like $5 for this whole entire palette. So yeah, go pick this up. This is really good. Now for the lips. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with one of my favorite lip liners. It's by Juvia's Place, and this is in the shade Brownie. This is an oldie but goodie, but I absolutely am in love with this shade. This is by Posner Cosmetics, and this is their shade Princess Purple. I bought this some years ago, and like I said, I regularly sanitize my makeup, so I was able to still use this. They're still in business, and they still sell this shade. Then I topped it off with my Stila Beauty Boss Lip Gloss in the shade Payday. This color is breathtaking. You guys have to try this. They sell these retail at Ulta, I think for $28, but it's worth every penny because this is so vivid and so gorgeous. And there you have it, guys. That completes my look. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy.